Medet Kızı's impressive record at ranking series events. She's won one every year for the past 3 years. She's also the Asian champion, the Asian Games champion, world silver medalist in 2023 too, so one of Kyrgyzstan's most cherished. Good hit here. In, and Alpıyewa doing her best, but she's countered well by Medet Kızı. And that's a hefty throw from Medet Kızı to add 4 more.
Yeah, I mean the power there really challenging it in a Greco-Roman as that lift came in, lifted it completely in the air over her own head, took her over for the 4 points, and it's because she lifted so high she got given the 4 instead of the 2.
Medet Kızı putting the Ukrainian in a difficult position here, showing her just what it's like to face one of the world's best. And this is the end of the battle. Medet Kızı, who for a moment took a few shots from the Ukrainian, turned them into gold for herself. 10-0, and she'll fight for gold now later tonight.